Good morning, my dear children. Here I am here, happy to see you, and I welcome you all to this online classes. During this period, unfortunately, and we are here, and through these video classes, we want to teach you, and we got an opportunity to teach you. Anyhow, happy and I'm very happy, glad to see you through this video. And this is, you know very well, the last classes regarding 9th section, 9th classes, and we have seen some of the classes. I mean, the tenses we learned, At the same time, and I taught there are three tenses and contemporarily, present tense, past tense, future tense. Present tense lo 4 types, past tense lo 4 types, past perfect, present simple future lo future tense lo 4 types. Total tenses, and we have seen that. So here textbook కు వచ్చేసరికి యూనిట్ 1 లో నుంచి some textbook grammar ఇచ్చాడు. some textbook grammar అనేది ఈ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ గ్రామర్లో ఏమి ఇచ్చాడంటే సింపుల్ పాస్ట్, వర్సెస్ పాస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్, నాట్ వర్సెస్ అండ్ పాస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్. Right, children? Here, this is the topic today that I want to make you to learn. It's very, very easy, and so based on this, a few sentences we have to teach. So here, past, simple past and past perfect. When the two actions are happened, see. This is the definition. When the two actions happened the action which happened earlier than other is in the past perfect. So the second one is the second action is in the simple past. This is the definition. So when the two actions are happened in the past, గతంలో ఏవైనా రెండు పనులు జరిగినప్పుడు ఆ రెండిటిలో ఒకదానికంటే ముందు ఏదైతే యాక్షన్ జరిగిందో the action which happened earlier than other, ఆ రెండిటిలో ఒకదానికంటే ఏదైతే ముందు జరిగిందో అది పాస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ టెన్స్ అని చెప్పాను. అండ్ ద సెకండ్ యాక్షన్ దాని తర్వాత జరిగిన యాక్షన్ అంటే సింపుల్ పాస్ట్ అని చెప్పాను. సో హియర్ ద టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో సుజాత హ్యాడ్ అరైవ్డ్ at the station. చూడండి ఎగ్జాంపుల్, టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో ఎగ్జాంపుల్, Sujata had arrived at the station before the train came. Before the train came. చూడండి, the train came is V2 form, it is a simple past. And ఈ రెండిటికంటే ఇక్కడ there are two actions ఉన్నాయి. సుజాత arrived, had arrived. ఇది past perfect. ఇది past perfect. కాబట్టి had plus V3 ఉంది. had plus V3. సో ఎప్పుడు బిఫోర్ ద ట్రైన్ కేమ్ అంటే ఈ రెండు యాక్షన్స్ లో ఏది ముందు జరిగింది అంటే సుజాత స్టేషన్ చేరుకోవడం అనేది ముందు జరిగింది. కాబట్టి దీన్ని పాస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ టెన్స్ లో మనం రాస్తాం. దీని తర్వాత జరిగిన యాక్షన్ ఏదైతే ఉందో దాన్ని సింపుల్ పాస్ట్ లో చెప్తాను. అదే ఇక్కడ డెఫినేషన్. సో అయితే ఇక్కడ బిఫోర్ అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ అనే ఈ యొక్క యాడ్వర్బ్స్ ను ఉపయోగించాడు. బిఫోర్ ద ట్రైన్ కేమ్ సుజాత హ్యాడ్ అరైవ్డ్. దీనిని ఆఫ్టర్ తో ఉపయోగిస్తే ఆఫ్టర్ తో కూడా చూద్దాం. ఆఫ్టర్ the train came after Sujata had arrived at the station. See, meaning doesn't came, but the only thing is uses of this adverb. But the train came, it is again V2 form. Here came, it is a V2 and it is called simple past. Here had arrived, had plus V3. This is past perfect. Meaning doesn't change, but only the places of the words had changed. This is the only thing that you should have to remember. So there are few examples in the textbook. Let us see also. Please note it down. This is a very important topic and in the first lesson. So if possible, take the screenshot of this to write, because we don't have time to wait. So the remaining topics also we have to be, and please take a screenshot, and later you should have enlarged and you can write. So let us see a few examples from the same. Next textbook lo nunchi I'll pick up some few sentences. See here, now combine the following pairs of sentences. That is from the textbook. Now combine the following pair of sentences using the past perfect, and simple past and the simple past. వాడు ఇచ్చింది ఇదండి. So let us see the first example. So I brushed my teeth, I took my breakfast. I brush. I brushed my teeth. Full stop. I took my breakfast. So combine the sentences using before and after. దీన్ని ఆఫ్టర్ అని లేకపోతే బిఫోర్ అని బ్రాకెట్ లో వాడు ఇచ్చాడు అనుకోండి, రెండింటితో ఏదో ఒక దాంతో కంబైన్ చేయాలి సెంటెన్స్. లెట్ us అనలైజ్ ద టూ సెంటెన్సెస్. రెండింటిని ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. I brushed, again it is completed action, and took, it is again completed action. When, so here what is the rule? When the two actions are happened in the past, the action which happened earlier than other, that is in the past perfect. So let us see, look at the board here. There are two sentences. Brushed, took my breakfast. In the two sentences, which sentence and which action is happened earlier than other? Yes, you know very well. Brushed. This is the action which had happened earlier, right? This is must be a past perfect, and this one is a simple past. That is a very simple. So think about the two sentences, which action is happened earlier than other. That's all. The action which is happened earlier than other, that is in the past perfect. So this sentence must be a past perfect. What is the past perfect structure? Had plus V3. So I had brushed my teeth, right? My teeth. ఎప్పుడు? Before I took breakfast. దీన్ని before the రాసాం children. And the same sentence let me write and the after also. After I took my breakfast, then what happened? I'm sorry. After I had brushed my teeth, then I took my breakfast. Children, here sentence does not change and the meaning does not change, but the only difference you have to identify uses of these adverbs before and after. After I brushed, right? After I had brushed, I took breakfast. I had brushed my teeth before I took my breakfast. బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ చేసుకునేటప్పుడు బ్రష్ చేశాడు, బ్రష్ చేసిన తర్వాత మాత్రమే బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ చేసుకున్నాడు. మీనింగ్ డజంట్ చేంజ్, నెవర్ చేంజ్. The only thing is here uses of after and before అనేది ఈ విధంగా ఉంటుంది. So please note it down, and a few examples are there, and one more example I will teach you, and the remaining you have to write. Please note it down. Next example, you have to see. Next example. One more example, I will show you that. He completed his homework. చూడండి సెంటెన్స్. He completed his homework. Full stop. Next, he went to bed. He went to bed. Children, this is the sentence that you have to combine the sentence with before and after. After gani and before the gani rendu sentence తో కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి. He completed his homework, he went to bed. So which action is happened earlier? So completed his homework. So let us combine the sentence first before. He had completed his homework before he went to bed, right? Before he went to bed, right? This is the children. And let us again the sentence combine with after. After he had completed his homework, then what happened, comma, he went to bed. So like this, use before and after both adverbs. Take both adverbs, the remaining sentence you should have to complete. Until then, wait, అర్థమైందని అనుకుంటున్నాను. సో మీరేం చేయాలంటే టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో ఇంకా ఫ్యూ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ మిమ్మల్ని చేయమని అడిగాడు. సో టోటల్గా 6 సెంటెన్స్ ఇచ్చాడు. వాటిలో 2 or 3 సెంటెన్స్ నేను మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. రిమైనింగ్ అనేవి మీకు నోట్బుక్లో మీరే చేయాలి. సో దిస్ ఇస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఎగ్జామినేషన్ పాయింట్ డెఫినెట్గా ఒక మార్క్ అనేది వచ్చేది. ఇది 9th క్లాస్ లో ఉంది. అట్ ది సేమ్ టైం ఇట్ ఈస్ క్యారీడ్ టు 10th క్లాస్ ఆల్సో. Until then, take care. Bye.